Now, I promised to let you know what was inside the magic box and how it will make this channel even better. Have you subscribed yet? Sort it out!
Siobhan is pictured with guide dog Marty walking up the path and up the street. The camera moves to different angles and both Marty and Siobhan could be seen walking enthusiastically.
We're such good vloggers, we forgot to bring our external microphone. So this is just on the internal microphone only. But well done for those who guessed incorrectly. But the one who guessed right was Mike. We got a stabilising gimbal and this is what it can do.
In both slow motion and normal speed, guide dogs Marty and Sammy are seen running along a field. Sammy is an 8-year-old black retriever lab cross. He can be seen with flecks of grey hair. Marty, a younger dog, is also seen. Both are excitedly running and chasing each other.
As the camera changes view, both dogs can be seen jumping in the air.
Both dogs continue to charge across the grass.
Tails wagging, they remain close together at all times.
In slow motion, both dogs can be seen running towards the camera, which is moving backwards.
Come on in. Yeah. Supposedly this is good for vlogging mode too.
If you like what you see and you enjoy this content, hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next vlog.
The picture moves up and away from Siobhan's position in a drone-like shot. Now, in a different scene, a guide dog harness lying on the grass jumps up into Siobhan's arm. She performs a star jump and comes back to the floor smiling.
Audio description by Rough Dogs Productions. Woo!